Check this out, guys. Ooh, I like that. Look at that thing. There you go. Z28 Camaro, baby. Let's get him on here. This Uncle Mike 392. I'm out here at the Messiah Lutheran Church out here on 60th in Portland. Got to get him on here. Got him on here. All right. Ooh, look at this coming. Check this out. Thing sounds sweet. Got it. Got him. Check out this big engine, guys. Got a big red bottle down here to catch that. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Good. How about you?
You sure sound good coming up here.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
I might just get the looks to look.
Yes, sir. All right, let's go back down here. I missed a couple. Excuse me. It's the 392 Hemi. This old truck. What year is this truck? '50 Dodge. 392 Hemi. That's my brand right there, 392.
I better go register.
Get this Camaro on here again. Z28. There's another one for sale. Mustang Sally. Mustang Sally. Get that phone number for you guys. Okay. Get some information on it. I don't ask a penny for these. Try to help these people sell their cars. If it sells, it sells. You know. If it don't, well, at least I tried. Put it on my channel. Let's get a little information on it. More information. 84. All right. Check out that Z28 Camaro. That thing is nasty. I like that.
Well, if I didn't have a lift and all that stuff, I would.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine. How you doing? You doing good?
all right?
Yes, ma'am. I am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. This is yours?
Yes, sir.
I see you at Coffee and Cars at Renwood Park because I got you on my videos. I'm a YouTuber.
Thank you.
So I got it on my YouTube channel. A couple of times, a couple of different locations I've seen this 392.
It's around.
Yeah, this is a 1950 with a 392 engine. It ain't hard to miss this. Check this Mustang Mark 1 up there. Yeah, Mustang Sally. Where's he going? He couldn't get in there, so he gave up. Okay. Well. All right, let's go. Let's see what they got out here. Let's go see. I know they got some parked over here on the other side. Let's go on that other side over here. See what they got over there. Yes, sir. I was gonna go to Choctaw. They got a car show down in Choctaw. I said, well, I go to Choctaw all the time. I've never been in this one, so that's why I came here. First time I ever been in this one out here, this Lutheran church. Because I go to the one in Choctaw all the time. Since I started my channel almost 3 years ago, so I need some fresh, see something. Hopefully I'll see something. And I don't see a lot of cars here that I haven't seen it down in Choctaw. How you doing, sir?
All right.
Cheyenne 10. There you go. They got candy.
There, right by the end.
They got candy, which I don't eat. I don't eat candy. Not I. So I'm gonna walk around and go around that way. It's not a lot of cars out here, so I should maybe get about 3 videos out of this if I'm lucky. He said some more is gonna come, so I'll hold on. I'll hold on for a little while. I ain't gonna be in such a hurry, because every time I get in a hurry, I miss out on a lot of stuff. When I leave, there's other cars coming, I miss out. And that's not good, because that's what I'm out here for, to get content for you guys. All right, let's keep going, shall we?
Okay.
What this say? I'm trying to see what this says right here. What does that say? I look at it when I get it on my bigger screen when I edit. I can't see it that good. I'm 66 years old, guy. I can't see like I used to. I can see all the big things, but the small fine printing, I struggle with that until I get home and put it on my big screen, my laptop, and then I can see everything. $3,100 Chevrolet. That's a beautiful color. I love that color. Mustang Sally. Good morning. How y'all doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. This yours?
Nope. No.
This one? Okay, I'll get it too. I'm getting everything out of here. What year is this?
Mine's a 51.
51, okay. You go to different car shows? This one, first one? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Mark 1. That's nice. I like that. Check that Mustang out right there. Mustang Sally. I like it. 40th anniversary. High performance. Look at that. Get some details. Get a thumbnail on this. I might use this as a thumbnail on one of my videos. You give me a good thumbnail. That one was good, but it ain't good enough. This is better. I like it. All right, let's keep going, shall we? Yeah. Ooh. They got the trophies over there. We're gonna film the trophies and things they possibly can win out here. I think this is a Mitsubishi. I don't see a lot of these, so that's why I had to think about it. I think it's a Mitsubishi. I don't know. You got a street racing license. What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
Fine, yourself? Good, good. All right, let's go over here, guys. See what they got over here. This is where I'm located, the Messiah Lutheran Church right here. And it's a school too. Uh-oh, I hear something. We got some more people coming in. I got to go back down there and get them too. Put them in. We don't want to leave out nobody if I can help it. I don't like leaving out nobody because I know some people could drive many, many miles to get out here. Like me, I live like maybe 25 miles from here. But it's worth it because this is what I do, and it's for you guys, my subscribers, my potential subscribers. So if you guys don't mind, subscribe to me, please, and leave some comments. Comments, I love comments. I answer all of them if I can understand them. And share my videos with others, please. I appreciate it. Thank you. So let's go. This is where they register right over here, guys.
They don't have safety laws like they have around
Check this out, man. Look at this OSU. I like that. Look at that thing. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh yeah. Back it on in there. You can barely hear that engine. Barely hear it. All right. I'm gonna wait till we park it and get out, and then I'm gonna move on. Let's see what year this thing is. Ask him what year it is. I don't know what year it is. I know it's older than I am. I'm 66. Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
How you doing? What year is this? 34. Okay. I was way off. I thought it was in the 50s.
Got the original flathead in it or something better? No, it's been kind of redone.
Oh, let's see what the engine look like.
Redone a little.
Let's see what the engine look like on this bad boy. Oh my goodness. That don't look like the original engine.
Well,
Look at that thing.
It's been built.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
It's still got some work to do.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, they all do.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
But I figure my brother.
See what it look like inside here. Boy, there ain't much room in here. This guy's like 6'2",
It's hard to find.
sitting in here. I'm 5'10". How tall are you?
6'2".
That's what I thought. I guessed it right. I said 6'2".
Fit right in there.
Yeah, I got it. You fit right in here. Wow. Okay. He's 6'2" in that little tight spot. Look at that. It ain't much room in there. Look at that, man. And he's 6'2", man. And this is where I'm located, guys. Messiah Lutheran School. It's a school in a church, I think. That's what they told me. All right, let's get around here. See what else they got out here. I think I got them all. I'm gonna hold out though, because there might be some more coming. Excuse me, sir. What year is this?
1999.
99. You race this?
No.
You don't,
It's
I see
mostly
you had a racing thing on the sticker.
Yeah.
Just says, oh, it just says that.
It just says it, yes.
I appreciate you, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. You want to check it out?
Uncle Mike
319? Yes, sir. Let me put you on here. Can I use your car as a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm filming it right now.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Is this your car, ma'am?
Yeah.
What year is this?
2002.
2002? Okay. All right. All right, good to see the engine. I'm going to put you on my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, look at that. That is nice.
Thank you.
I don't know what kind of, this is VW.
Yeah.
Oh, I see that. Okay, now I see it. Okay.
Yeah.
Because when you came in, I'm like, what kind of car is that? I didn't know what kind it was. Now I know.
Yeah, it's a Jetta wagon.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So I'm gonna wrap it up right here, guys. I don't see any more cars, and I've already been down this way. Oh, let me go get these trophies over here. I'll put the trophies on here.
The other one's a little bit smaller, but they look exactly.
We got a swinger over here.
It looks just like that. I got a bunch of the chain.
I was gonna get this truck. Every time I want to get this truck, something happens and I get distracted. I get distracted real easy at my age. I see something fancy and nice coming in. Like if I'm filming this and I see something fancy coming, I'm dropping this and going back to the new one, and then come back to this. I think it's an old age thing I'm going through. Yes, sir. And this is the Dart Swinger. Distant cousin to the Hollywood Swinger. Let's go look at these trophies they're getting. Here we go. So no matter the class, everybody gets a trophy?
Nope.
No? Okay.
There's two trophies for each class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. So what's it? This the first place one right here? This one?
Well, this is you can read them. There's the
Oh, okay.
kids, a pastor's pick,
Oh,
and
okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Oh. Look at this coming. Check this out. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Look at that thing. Ooh, that's nice. Uh-oh. How's that? Excuse me, sir. See, I'm glad I didn't shut it off. I would have missed this content, see? That's why I'm learning to slow down. Don't get antsy when you're out there. Just be patient. I'm learning to be patient. I've been doing this 3 years and I'm learning. I miss so much because I get antsy and I shut the camera off and then I leave and then I miss out on so much. I have to learn. I'm still learning to be patient. It's a learning process for me doing these cars because people come when they want to come. They don't come exactly when they start these car shows. I'm learning that now. Oh, I heard something behind me. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I love it. This is nice. Oh, they got some more coming in. Get out the way. That looks like a lowrider. It is a lowrider. California, baby. That's where I'm from Santa Barbara, California. I love the lowriders, man. There you go. There you go. Lowrider, baby. All right. right, guys, I'm going to stop right here because I'm over 20 minutes. So I'm going to stop right here and start another. I'll see you guys on the other side later.